So I'm going to show how to install Size Guarantee WooCommerce plugin to our WordPress WooCommerce site. So this is my demo WooCommerce site. So it's called size demo sizeguarantee.net. So this is an WordPress WooCommerce site. So also I have some of men and women and mixed products. Okay, so I'm going to onboard this Size Guarantee demo WooCommerce store to Size Guarantee. So let me go to sizeguarantee.net and click try now. So yep. So once clicks try now, you will get a register screen. Okay, so we have landed to a registration screen. So it's asking the basic information. So I have the site. So let me give, this is my company name and my name. So my email ID is now I have one email. It's WordPress store. It's already have an admin area on WordPress. Okay, so final one is the e-commerce URL. So yeah, all good. So let me create a password, confirm password. Okay, then phone number. Okay, now click sign up. So it will asking first time for verification. So yeah, see, I got a verification email. So yeah, so email verified successfully, need to log in. So okay, this is my email ID. Okay, so the password is, so which we are added create of account. Okay, yeah, so login successfully. So setting up the store. So all set, the store URL and others. So platform, it's a WooCommerce. So the country, yeah, from India. Okay, and click next. It will asking to download the plugin and install. You can download it from here or here. Otherwise you can also install the plugin from your admin area itself. So first go to your site and go to your admin dashboard. Okay, so navigate to a plugin and go to add new. So if you are downloaded from here, you can also install. Otherwise you can just search Size Guarantee. Yeah, so the Size Guarantee plugin available on WooCommerce plugin store. So click install. Okay, so it's installing. Okay, and then click active. So first we need to install the plugin and make it activate the plugin. Yep, so the plugin get activated. So once the plugin get activated, you can see the one menu is called Size Guarantee on your admin sidebar. Okay, so navigate to the Size Guarantee. Okay, so it's asking for an API key. So here, oh sorry, here already have logged into dashboard on size interface. Okay, so let me click creating API to click create. Okay, so the API key was created. Yep, so you can copy from here or you can click to copy. Everything is fine. Okay, then going to those placeholders. Okay, just paste it and click validate. So once this API key get validated, yeah, see the store get connected and all the process get completed. Just save the setting. Okay, it was in disabled mode, now I'm enable. Okay, good, all set. Okay, so then the integration now got, so just refresh the page, you can see the status get active. See, the installation of WooCommerce plugin is completed and the API key generation get completed. Then the next step is to set up the know your size button, so click the setup. Yeah, so it will be asking for primary color, text color and font family. Now I stick with default, so the font family is okay, Lacto. Then click next. Okay, so this is the review confirmation. So this is the store information, this is the platform, whether what are the colors and what type of integration. It's an WooCommerce. Yeah, great. So let me click and confirm. Yep, okay, the setup now your size button step also get completed. So the size guarantee server analyzing your store catalog, so it will in progress. So it may take 10 minutes to 4 hours, it depends on the catalog size which we have on our e-commerce store. Okay, so once this process get completed, we will notify through email. Okay, so okay, see the what are all the emails come. Okay, see the emails come, how to set up and other stuffs. Okay, okay, so these are the how to videos. Okay, we are waiting for product analyzing get over. Okay, so yeah, we got a scrap completion email. Okay, see the scrap analyzing get completed, also got another email. So all the process done, so enable your size button. Okay, so go to and refresh the page, you can see the status of see all the step get completed. So the final step is enable the button. Okay, just click enable, which will enable on your sites. Yeah, the store widget updated successfully. So now get set go. Okay, all steps are done. So let me check the store of mine. Okay, for this product, yep, see the button comes here. Okay, see how it look like here. So let me check the size of this. Okay, so I have a demo account, so let's just check with demo account. Yeah, so we got the size for this user for this store. It's a M. See, available sizes are S, M, L, XL, double XL. So my size is for this account which I have checked. It's a M. Yep. Okay. So you can also check the what are the products are available on your WooCommerce store by clicking the products. You will get the all products. So what are all the available products you can get. Okay, so you can edit the product and you can edit and set up the manual size chart. See, yeah, we got a size chart for woman's top, woman's bottom, woman's dress and men's top. Okay, if a user need to edit, they can edit by clicking this edit icon. So the all setup get completed. This is the entire process of WooCommerce onboard. Thank you.